to Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will show you the overview of Beae, best Shopify page builder. This video is specially for you guys. Start building a high converting page on Shopify. Designed to get custom page beyond Shopify limits. Please take the time to watch this video to the end. I will guide you to step by step to show you how to create the page. By using these special features, it will help you to grow your sales continuously. This video will consist of 3 main parts. Part 1. Introducing the dashboard. Part 2. Selecting and creating pages. Part 3. Steps to build a page and optimize it. Now let's get started. Part 1. Introducing the dashboard. Welcome to the dashboard. On the left side, you will see a page you can create. In addition, you can also choose the type of page you want to build in the template. Beae has been divided into pages such as product, collection, collection list, blogs, and blog posts. Beae newest feature is a section builder and a pop-up builder. Pop-up is a small dialog box that automatically pops up when a user opens a browser or visits a website. Section builder will help you to create the small section of the page. You can build a section in Beae and use it as a section in Shopify customize the theme. In particular, Beae is always ready to support you 24/7. No matter how the problem is, feel free to contact us. Instructions for using the app are also provided in the Help Center section. Part 2. Selecting and creating pages. Now it's time to create a new page. When you start creating a site with Beae, you will have 2 choices. Firstly, if you already have a section sample or have a template you want to add, you choose Start from scratch to create your own page. Secondly, if you don't have a lot of time or idea for your site, choose from the built-in template. Beae constantly updates the available template according to different seasons and themes, suitable for own store, including template for landing page, home page, product collection, about contact. There are now over 250 templates ready for you. Part 3. Step to build a page and optimize it. Now let's start it with the most important part, Beae editing toolbar. To start creating a page, you need to know the page structure. The most important frame part of page will be section. Each section typically deals with portion of page content. Columns can be considered as subsection within a large section to contain the content element inside. A section can be divided into different columns. If you want to subdivide columns, you can add the inner row in the element. It will split column in column. Moreover, you can also change the column size, customize or delete it. Finally, elements with many different functions are dragged and dropped into section column to create page content. It can be a heading, text, picture, counter, and more. For each page, the element will display differently. If you want to customize any element, simply click on it and head over to the right-hand side. There are 3 tabs: the Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab, which help you customize the element. With the Content tab and Style tab, you can customize the maximum content, image, font size, and size. With the Advanced tab, you will be able to customize 2 main functions, spacing and responsive. In spacing, you will be able to align margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections, or the distance between the section and the border of the page. Spacing of padding. Padding is the space between the content and the border. To put it simply, padding is the distance between the section and the column. In responsive, you'll be given the option to allow, reserve, hide, or show on devices. I'm gonna show you how to build a section. Step 1. Create section. Step 2. Divide column and change size. Step 3. Add element and change it. The Navigator panel will help you manage your channel and folder efficiently, especially when you build 5 or 10 sections. The Navigator will be extremely useful for you. Let me show you how to use the Navigator panel. Here you have all of these sections. For example, if you want to name this particular section as banner, as you can see, I just named this particular section successfully. I can even hide it, or can make it visible by using these little dots. With just one right click, you can also add columns, duplicate, copy and paste column to desired position. I'm going to build 2 sections so you can have better understand how to do it. In section 1, step 1, I will add section, select elements as slider. Step 2, divide the column. I want the image on one side and the text highlighted on the other side. Now I will split it into 2 columns. Step 3. I will add the elements as heading, text, button. Step 4. Add background and change text. Step 5. Finally, customize. For the second section, I will use the feature collection element. Using this element, Beae will display the product available in your Shopify store. You will edit the main 3 parts. Firstly, when clicking on section, you can change the section layout, align inside columns, and spacing. Especially, change the background if you want the product to stand out more. Secondly, when you click on the entire element, you can customize collection. heading, number of product appearing, items per row or spacing. Lastly, when clicking on each product, you can customize aspect ratio. Hide or show title, style. Bad position, change text, and many more. Optimize Beae helps customer to customize the font extent. I just finished building 2 sections. As you can see, they are easy, right? At the top toolbar, you will enter responsive mode. Select mobile. The interface of your page then has changed to mobile mode. You can change another image especially for mobile mode. This can help image in any mode be displayed in high quality. You also can change the font size, spacing, and other things. Use the editor tool similar to the instruction above to customize. SEO helps your page have a chance to occupy a high position in Google rankings. Therefore, meeting all of the page SEO criteria is very important in reaching customers and reducing marketing costs. On the bottom left corner of the page, you have SEO option. When you click on that, a few options just pop up. First of all is the page title. When you drop down this, it says the page with title length should be 50 to 70 characters. So what you're going to do now is just entering a 50 to 70 character heading place. Now you can see the length is 50 and it says the page title is now passed, which means the page title is now perfect. Similarly, you should fulfill all the criteria in the SEO for all to pass. Details for each item are available in the video How to do SEO optimization in Shopify. After completing your section, and now you want to save it as your template, it's really simple. Just right-click on your section and you will see an option to save as template. Enter a name for your template and your section has been saved to my template successfully. If you want to save your page when you haven't finished it yet, you can go to Save as Draft, then go to Draft when you want to continue editing. When you have thoroughly tested and want to make your page public to customer, just click on Publish. Alright, that's all you need to know about Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. We are here to support you 24/7. See you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to the video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use section of Beae, best Shopify paid computer. This video will consist of 3 main parts. Part 1, what is section? Part 2, learn about section. And Part 3, section builder user guide. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe to Beae's YouTube channel. Beae is also available 24/7 to support you. Contact us if you need any assistance. Get started now. Part 1. What is section? The section plays an important role when creating the structure of page. In each section, there will be columns and elements. For example, this template will consist of 9 sections. Firstly, you will need to use section to create structure of page. Your page can have multiple sections. Each section will show a different content. For example, Section 1 Banner, Section 2 Brands, Section 3 About Us. Secondly, Section Builder of Beae will help you to create a small section of page. You can build a section in Beae and use it as a section in Shopify customized theme. Part 2. Learn about section. It's very simple to create a section with Beae. You just click on Add Section. Beae already has section with split columns, and you can select one of these sections, then add element and optimize. Or you can add a section, add inner row to split columns. Customize by size, and add the element. To save time, Beae has lots of templates for each section. You can search newest, trending, feature, or favorite template for image with banner. Testimonial. Pricing. Feature collection. Service and more. You can drag or drop to the design position and customize. Navigator will display on the section in your page. For each section, you can customize layout tab, style tab, and advanced tab. In layout tab, you can customize section layout and structure. With the section layout, you can customize content width, content height, column gap, and horizontal align. With structure, you can set HTML tag or add column and adjust column size per section. In the Style tab, you can change the background, customize the background overlay, shape divider, and more. You can change the background here. This background can be an image, color, video, or gradient. To make the background more attractive, use background overlay. There are a lot of interesting things in Shape Divider. You can choose the design style, position, and customize. You can also customize the border and typography. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, enable sticky, responsive, and more. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and the column. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a section to sticky on top, this section will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Conversely, if you choose stick at the bottom, that section will always stick to the bottom. Finally, there is responsive mode, which allows the section to be shown or hidden on different devices. For example, when I select Hide on desktop, this section will only be visible when customer using mobile or tablet. Also, when you right-click, you can duplicate or copy and paste the section. And part 3, Section Builder User Guide. You can build a section in Beae and use this as a section in Shopify customized theme. Section Builder, you can create a specific part of your page, such as product, contact form, or anything you want to insert on your page. Let's create a section and add it to Shopify store. Step 1. From the dashboard, head over to the Section Builder. Here you're going to create a new section. Alright, you have two options. If you already have a section sample or have a template you want to add, choose Start from Scratch to create your own section. If you don't have any idea yet, choose Template. Here we provide more than 200 templates for you to choose. You can choose Start from Scratch and immediately show it on Editor tool. Step 2. You add new section and add the elements. Once I have elements, I will go through the Customize tab to get a complete section. Step 3. After all, you can choose Save as my template. Alright, that's all you need to know about the section of Beae. If you have any question, feel free to contact us to have more assistance. Thank you for watching our video and see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to the video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use heading element of Beae. Best Shopify page builder. Heading plays an important role in communicating and accessing information to customers. Creating prominent heading is indispensable in SEO website. Heading is similar to a caption. It can be live below a photograph that briefly explains it, or it can be at the top of paragraph, chapter, or pages to give customer an idea of what the subject is. Would be customizing heading can be absolutely easy with a tool we'll provide. Let's use and optimize the heading element of Beae to the fullest. Let's get started. I have two example templates over here, and I'm gonna show you how to use and create headings which look exactly like this template. Firstly, you create the section. Go to the element. Drag and drop the element to the desired position. And change the image and background. Click on Heading element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab. In the Content tab, you can customize the title and process. Heading text will allow you to change the content for the heading. And alter the content style in simple fashion such as bold, italic, underline, color, background, order list, unordered list, insert link, and clear format. You can also add a link to heading, so when customer click on the text, it will open the link to other pages. You can also use the link title to give additional information about the page being linked to when you hover over the heading. In addition, when you click Open this link in New Window, you have enabled the opening of the link in New Window when customer click on heading mode. When you click on Add Nofollow, you have enabled the Nofollow option. Nofollow tells Google or any other search engine not to read that link, so your website has a higher rank in SEO. Finally, the title HTML tag allows you to change the heading HTML tag. You can choose one of these options, H1, H2, H3, and more. As for the process, you can choose from a number of available heading templates or upload your own template. In the Style tab, you have maximum customization of alignment, text color, typography, and text shadow. Alignment allows you to change the alignment of the heading, left, right, or center. Responsive mode is available for all devices. You can also change the color of the heading in the text color. In particular, change the font family, text size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, and letter spacing in the typography. For the heading, responsive mode is available for all devices. Customize on the mobile interface for the best display. Finally, text shadow will allow you to control text shadow setting, which enable you to pick color, create glow effects, and set horizontal and vertical position in conjunction with your heading. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, and attribute. Margin spacing. Margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and the column. You can also customize the Y and heading. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a heading to sticky on top, this heading will always stick to the top and will not disappear when you pull down. If you choose stick at the bottom, that heading will always stick to the bottom. To make the heading more prominent, you can change the background here, or add a border and box shadow. Finally, allow heading to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. If you check high on desktop, this heading will always be displayed on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. Attribute will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of heading elements. This section will be for those who want to design professionally. With this dark customization tool, you will create headlines that stand out and attract customers. Alright, that's all you need to know about the section Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.